belong to you.
Hey there folks, welcome to Technologically Challenged. I am Kazi and this is my Patreon welcome video. Well, I basically make tech videos on YouTube, but I sometimes also host a podcast which is called Snapshot XL. These are essentially all tech related stuff, but I do sometimes include a bit of comedy because I'm a joker, also known as a professional idiot. There are tons of pledges that you can make, but remember, every little bit really helps the channel out a whole lot. For the price of a cup of coffee, you kind of breathe new life into this channel. That is how powerful you guys are. So this is me shamelessly asking you for money so that I can keep the channel going on and so that you can get a lot more out of this channel. Actually, in all seriousness though, anything that you do, literally just viewing a video pretty much supports this channel. This is my independent approach to tech, something that I'm really passionate about. A lot of people who already know me know that I've had a year and a half ago, I was diagnosed with a rare form of cancer. So after coming out of it, I needed to do something that I was really passionate about. And that is what I really am passionate about. So that's why I started this channel. At the end of the day, it's just a platform for all of us to come together and just share our passion. As always, just viewing the videos helps the channel in a major way. Even you cannot even imagine how much it helps every single time you view a video. So remember to subscribe to the channel, watch my videos, share it with your friends and family if you like the video, and hopefully we can make something great together. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.